How much do ships really cost? Container vessels versus medium-range tankers versus general cargo vessels. I am Chris. Ever wondered, how much does a ship actually cost? Today, we'll break down real market prices for three workhorses in West African trade: feeder container ships, medium-range tankers, and multi-purpose general cargo vessels, and explain what's driving those numbers in 2025. To compare apples to apples, we're using realistic sizes seen across West Africa. Feeder container ship, approximately 2,000 to 2,800 TEU. Medium range tanker, approximately 50,000 deadweight tons. General cargo/MPP, 12,500 to 20,000 deadweight tons. We'll look at new build prices, modern second-hand values, and the market forces shaping them in 2025. Medium range tanker, 50,000 deadweight tons. New build price, $54 to $57 million. 0-year value, $54.5 million, 14% year over year. 5-year-old, approximately $50 million. 10-year-old, approximately $41 million. Medium range vessels are in high demand. Owners are currently locking in multi-year charters straight from the yard. Why the cost? Strong clean product demand, emission-ready specs, Asian yards still busy. Medium range vessels are a bright spot in a cooling tanker order book. So feeder container ship, approximately 2,000 to 2,800 TEU. New build price, $50 to $55 million. Eco dual fuel. Hyundai Mipo deal, 3 feeders for $159 million, approximately $53 million each. 2021 benchmark, $41 million per 2,500 TEU. Second hand, 2025, approximately $11,400 per TEU, approximately $28 to $29 million for 2,500 TEU. Older units, approximately $21 million. Why the cost? New build prices peaked in 2022 to 24. Second-hand surged in 2025 due to schedule reshuffles and flexibility needs. General cargo/MPP, 12,500 to 20,000 deadweight tons. New build, 12.5 thousand deadweight tons, approximately $31.5 million. 20,000 deadweight tons with gear, $38 to $42 million. Second-hand, prices elevated due to tight supply. Why the cost? Crane capacity, heavy lift pedigree, deck strength, fuel eco package. A 20,000 deadweight ton unit with twin 250-ton cranes can cost far more than a gearless tween-decker. Quick comparison, 2025 price snapshot, medium range tanker, 50,000 deadweight tons. New build, $54 to $57 million. 5-year, approximately $50 million. 10-year, 41 millimeters. Feeder container, 2,000 to 2,800 TEU. New build, $50 to $55 million. 5-year, $28 to $29 million. Older, miles $21 million. General cargo, MPP, 12.5 thousand to 20,000 deadweight tons. New build, $31.5 to $42 million. Second-hand elevated. Key drivers, yard slots, spec, dual fuel scrubbers ice class. Charter cover, a firm 3 to 5-year charter can sharpen pricing or justify a premium. Fun of buying in West Africa. If you're buying for Nigeria or GOG, Gulf of Guinea, trades focus on 1. Spec fit, gear, draft, emissions. 2. Delivery timing. Some yards booked into 2027/28/3. Charter cover. Many ships fixed straight from the yard. 4. Life cycle economics. Compare earnings, not just sticker price. 5. Resale liquidity. MRs and feeders have deep buyer pools. MPPs depend on niche specs. That's your real world cost snapshot for 2025. Want a tailored buy versus charter model or a short list of vendors? Let's build that next, and we shall also look at how container ship makes money despite the huge cost. Kindly like, subscribe, and share.